How to fix Siri not speaking in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly here you can see, hey Siri, what is the date today? Now here you can see it can see only the date but not speak. If you want to fix this problem, then simply open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on Siri. Now click on Siri responses. Now here you can select prefer silent responses. If you can select prefer silent responses, then Siri give you a silent responses, not speak responses. And if you select prefer spoken responses, then it will give you a spoken responses like that. Hey Siri, what is the date today?
It's Saturday, the 26th of April 2025.
I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.